Alright, so today we're going to do a review of some of the stuff we've been learning this month because you've got your big county test that we've got to finish up tomorrow and next week. So we're going to go over some addition, adding 3 numbers, 1 more, 10 more, all those kinds of things, okay? So we're going to start today with how many days have we been in school?
43.
43. Do we have any hundreds there?
No.
How many tens do we have,
4.
Cameron?
4.
Cameron?
4.
4. 10 sets of 4. So we're going to put 1, 2, 3,
4.
and 4. Now what do we need? What do we need, Robert?
3, 1.
3 ones. Very good. 1. I have to paste it here. 2.
3.
And 3.
43.
43.
Oh, there's 2 ones stuck together.
I know, but it's just made a big rectangle. Okay, let me see. Cassidy, can you tell me what is 1 more than 43?
44.
44, very good. Ethan, you be thinking and tell me, what is 1 less than 44? 1 less than 43. Use your hundreds chart. 42, very good. Maverick, what is 10 more than 43? 10 more than 43.
53.
53, good. Addison, what's 10 less than 43? You can use your hundreds chart. 10 less. 43. Robert, will you help her out? 10 less than 43. Let's look over here. Let's look on our chart, see if we can have some help. Huh? Do you know it now, Addison? Let's look. Let's do this together. 10 less. 10 less. Remember, we talked about how each line was 10, a set of 10. So here's our hundreds chart. And if we say 10 less, that means we're going to go back in our counting order. So it would be what?
33.
33. Very good. All right. Moving on. How could we write that? How could we write it? Gabe, will you come up?
3.
Come up here and write it.
40.
Yep, in the number sentence. How would we write that? How many sets of 10? Okay. And then how many more? What do we need to put by our 4 to make it sets of 10? This is 10, so it's going to have a 0 to make it 40. And then 3 ones. 40 plus 3 is
43.
43.
I want to try that.
You do?
Yeah.
Come try and write the word.
I'm gonna go. Wait, that's easy. Because the number is right beside it. So
writing the word.
What's 43? That's backwards.
That's all right. He can fix it. Good job. 40. What says tough? It's going to end with a Y. And then we have to write the ones. How many ones? 43. I like the way he's using his resources. All right. Robert, is it even or odd?
Even.
Why do you think it's even?
Because that has one.
Well, it does have ones, but it's an
Odd.
odd because it ends with a 3.
How is it odd? Because it has a set of 2.
No, that's not why it's odd. It's odd because it ends with a number
3.
that can't be divided or has an equal part.
Yeah.
All right. We're going to move on.
Move on. Wait, what do you
Moving right along.
Zero.
Do what?
3. Oh, no. Oh.
I'm looking for one more than 73, Gabe.
73.
Gabe.
74.
Very good. When? One less. 73. What's one less? That means we would be going backward. So here's 73. And we're going that way. What's the number that comes before 73?
I'm gonna help him.
Let her try. Do you need help? Okay. Jackson, can you help her?
72.
72. Very good. What if I said, what is 2 more? What's 2 more, Ethan?
75.
Very good. What's 2 less, Cameron?
71.
Oh, you guys are too smart. Okay. I want to move on to our addition. All right. Oh, Jonathan, come up. You want to come up? No? You want to stay there and do it? Okay. Tell me, what do I need to write for this problem? How many apples? 4 apples. How many oranges? 6 oranges. How many flowers? 3. Now we've got to add those together.
4 plus 6 plus 3?
How can we figure that out?
I know what it is.
Okay.
What is it? What is it? Okay.
You got it? What do you think is 13?
Yep, because 4 plus 6 is 10, and it has a set of 3, so it's 43.
Very good. Maverick broke it down. He solved this part of the equation first, and then he added the rest. Could you decide to add these 2 together first?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. it would still be the same because why?
Because if you change it around any order, it's still the same.
As long as they're the same numbers, it doesn't matter what order they're in. Very good. Ooh, you guys are getting too smart.
It's because I knew the calculator was on my phone.
You knew the calculator was on your phone.
I don't have a phone. I do. I got a phone. I don't. Me too. I do. Here, look. But I don't like to bring it to school because I might get
All right. I want us to look over here. We were doing shortest to longest and longest to shortest. So I have a grid. Okay. Sometimes this is like paper. It comes with all these little cubes on it. I don't know if you've ever seen it, but graph paper looks like this. So our instructions say, read it with me, draw 5 cube trains. What's a cube train?
What's that right there?
Kind of like that. We
It's
have
kind
our,
of a hundreds chart, except it has a lot more.
get out your cubes from your
Center back.
center bag.
Big or small?
The big cubes.
Biggie, gooby,
Do
gooby.
you see the second? Do you see how these are connected together?
The green ones or the any color?
This is what they're talking about. This is what they're calling a cube train. Okay? So, we all know how to put, have 2 sets, and we know how to put them together. But this is asking us to do something different. It wants us to draw how many cube trains? 5 of them. And it wants us to use the graph paper to do it. But it also gives us, all right, don't spin them, let's leave them for just a minute. It also wants us to put them in order from shortest to longest. So, use your cubes right now and try to figure out a way to do 3 cube trays with the cubes you have. Shortest to longest.
Okay, so shortest. Okay. I got 3.
So like maybe your first one could be maybe 1 cube or 2.
I put 3.
And then your next one would be a little longer. And then the one on the bottom would be the longest. You need help?
I think I'm missing.
That's alright, just use what you have. Shortest to longest. I need your, yeah, like your paper scraps. That's what we've been doing. That's what we've been doing with the paper scraps. Very good. Now we're doing it with our cubes, yes. So I want you to think about a way that you could make 2 more and then draw it on here. So I'm going to show you 1. Here's my cube train. I'm going to do 2. Then I'm going to do 4. Then I think I'll go 5. So how many trains do I have so far? 1, 2, 3. This row is a train. This row is a train. And this one. So how many more do I need? I have 3, but I need 5. 2 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's still longer than this. And then 1 more row. So did I get them in order from shortest to longest? Alright, now I'm going to let a couple of you come up here and show me your cube train.
Okay. Everybody's going to get them?
I want you, when you come up, I want you to draw it, fill the block in, because I believe when you have your test, you need to know that a cube is this size, okay? Is that right, Ms. Fisher? So, let me look. Cassidy, can you come up here and draw me 5 cube trains in shortest to longest? And you can start anywhere on there you want. You don't have to start at the top. Longest to shortest. Okay. Yep, got 4 more to draw. So this is one train. Let's fill it all the way in. This is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, so now what are we going to do? We need 4 more. 4 more rows. Shortest to longest. So they're going to be getting what? Longer each time. So come down to the next row. Good. Boys and girls, do you think she needs to stop here or should she go more?
Go more.
Why?
Because that's 2. And if you add, that's only 2 rows.
What are we supposed to start with? Shortest?
Shortest to longest.
Is this one shorter than this one?
No.
It is. This one is shorter than this one. We need to make it longer, Cassie. Can we make it longer? Good. Alright. Now we need another train. Make us another train on the next row. Remember, it needs to be longer than the last row you did. Everyone can't have a turn, but alright. We need how many more? We got 1 train, 2 trains, 3 trains, and 2 more. Lay your blocks down. Lay them down on your desk, please. We're not using them right now. Alright, stop. Another row, 1 more. This is the last one. Robert. Can she stop there?
Yes.
You can't stop there because she's trying to make it longer than this row. Because it's shortest to longest, so her bottom row has to be longer than any of the others. Very good. Did she do it?
Yes.
Yes. All right, let's see. Let me have Quinn. That's all right. You got the idea. I got some other stuff that you can come up to the board and do. So this is going to be our last graph, but we'll do some more things. Actually, I'm just going to.
I thought we all got to do it.
Well, you got to do some other stuff, didn't you? All right, my friend, go to town. Making 5 cube trains. Shortest to longest.
Give me just like one.
Good deal. She started out with 1 and she added another.
Wait, we have to make 5 trains?
5 trains.
5 million. One more.
Oh, you got it, girl.
I don't have enough.
How does that look, guys? That's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look good? Do you understand how this? Well, it's all right. We're really not using them. You can use your cubes now. We're going to do some addition problems on the board, okay? Does everybody understand this? What if it asks you to do it longest to shortest? Would you be able to do that?
Yeah.
Okay, I think so too. You guys have got it. I'm glad.
I wanted to do that.
We might have to find some graph paper since you guys seem like you want to do that. All right.
Cameron, how did you do that?
Robert, would you come up and figure out this problem for us? We've got an addition, a number sentence up here. Let's read it together. Put your cubes in your basket, in your bag, please. Thank you.
Why?
You can, if that's the strategy you want to use. Alright, the number sentence says 9 plus 2 plus 5. I want you to be working that out, figuring it out for yourself. Let's see if Robert gets it. I don't think that's right. Does anybody have a better guess?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
I'm 14. I think I know what it is.
What do you think, Cameron?
15.
15?
I think it is
You
16.
think it's 16? Let's work it out. Let's work it out. Let's see. Let's add these two numbers first. What is 9 plus 2?
11.
11. If we have 11 and we add 5 more, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, what is that?
16.
16.
I was right.
Robert, I like your strategy of using the hundreds chart. But sometimes when you have 3 numbers, it's hard to keep all the numbers straight. So sometimes solving a part of it first will help. Okay? Let's go on to another one.
Ooh, those 3 plus 3 plus 3.
Jalen, do you want to work one? Okay. Come on, Jalen. 7 plus 7. Boys and girls, this is the same, it's still a number sentence, right? It's just written up and down. 7 plus 7.
I know. I can help her.
You got it. Write it down here. Oh, yes. You got it.
That's
You
what I
said
was
it was
going
14. Did everybody else get 14?
Yes.
Smart.
Yes.
Okay. Jonathan's going to give it a whirl. All right, Jonathan. Come on up. Let's do
Hard.
10 plus 8.
10 plus 8.
Oh, that was a good one because we remembered our rule, right? What's our rule? If we're adding it to 10, we just write the 1 and the number, right? Gabe, come on up. Sure. 6 plus 9. Plus 9. Guys working it out? Is he right? Yes. Good job. All right, let me have Christopher come on up. 5 plus 1 more. What is 5 plus 1 more? Let's look. Yes, can you write it? Look. Looks like this. Nice job. I'm so plus 7. 11 plus 7. Be working it out in your head.
You're gonna put it just in her book bag.
18.
Hey, excuse me. This is Ethan's problem to do.
Wow.
13 or 18?
17.
Yeah.
I think it's 17.
Is he
I know what
17?
it is.
It was 10 plus 7.
Can I help him?
He's got it. Good job. Good job. All right. finish.
It's like one plus 7.
Maverick. Maverick. Come on up. Maverick. Let's see. I'm going to do 5
I didn't
plus
know.
6.
Why are you singing that?
2 plus 5 plus 6.
2 plus 1? That's 25 plus 6. Wait a minute.
All right, you got it. 13.
First time.
First time. All right, Addison, come on up.
I feel like the backs are dry now.
Not quite.
Not
8 plus 5. 8 plus 5.
I would have there's a boot to the brown. No, that's a Hershey's kit. That's chocolate. Ew.
She's decided that she needs to use some resources, so she's going to use the board to draw. Is that a good strategy?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, I thought I couldn't do that. I was going to do that.
Well, you did good anyway. Super, good job.
Can I go now?
I've got some word problems. I'm going to let the rest of you. I've got Cassidy and Cameron and Jackson who do not have a turn. Let's see. Oh, and Jason. All right, let's listen to this word problem. General went. Cameron, come on up to the board. Now you remember when we talked about doing word problems, what are we listening for? Important details, right? This is math, so what are the important details going to be? Numbers and the words that talk about more or and to add. So let's listen. Quinn, are you listening? Jackson, are you listening? All right, you ready? Come on up to the board, and as I read, you write down the important numbers, okay? Our first problem is, Joe has 7 pieces of gum. Anything important in that? 7. 5 pieces of candy. Good. And 2 fruit roll-ups. How many treats does he have all together? You be thinking about it. So he's drawn a picture. That's good.
Yep.
Get it?
Yep, I counted.
All right, so he drew a picture and he wrote the number sentence. Very good. That's what I want you to do, okay? When we have word problems, I always ask you to draw a picture, then write the number sentence. All right, thank you. Let me have Cassidy. All right, Cassidy, here you go. Sue has 11 toys in all. She has 11 toys. This is a tricky one, so we're gonna need a lot of helpers. Don't put and yet, just put 11. That's a number we need to remember, okay? She has, listen, she has dolls, balls, and teacups. How many of each toy can she have? Draw a picture and write a number sentence. Is there only one answer?
Yes.
Not to this problem, because we know, hold on just a minute, we know that she has a total of 11, right? So we're trying to write a sentence that adds up to 11 with dolls, balls, and teacups. So, how many do you think she has of dolls, Cassidy? You guys be working one out on your desk with your dry erase marker.
Oh.
Sue has 11 toys. That's how many she has all together. That is the answer to the problem we're writing. Write down 11. Write down 11. No, this one. Alright, now these are the kinds of toys she has. She has dolls. She has dolls. She has balls. And she has teacups. Okay? You have to find a problem, a number sentence, using those that adds up to 11.
I think 10 dolls and one more doll. Oh, I know something. Miss Henry, I know something. 10. 10.
You go ahead and write yours on the board.
10.
Draw your picture and then write your number sentence.
No. 10 teacups, 0 balls, and 1 doll.
Well, that would equal 11, but it says that she has dolls, balls, and teacups.
Oh, I know
So
something.
you're going to have to find a number for each category. Write it down.
Okay, 6 would be.
Draw it on your desk. Draw me the picture and write the number sentence.
6. 6
This is good.
teacups, 4 balls, and 1 doll.
Write it down.
I did 3 plus 8. I'm gonna do
3 what?
3 balls and 8 more balls.
Well, she has dolls and teacups too.
Look in your picture.
Draw a picture.
Plus.
But you have to write the number sentence. Write the number sentence that equals 11.
5 plus 5 equals 10. This is hard.
It is hard, isn't it? That's all right. I know you can do it. Jackson, are you doing it? No? You don't feel like doing it right now? I'm sorry.
I know 5 plus 5. Oh, Miss Angie said, don't say it. I don't know.
Maverick, what did you come up with?
I came up with 6 plus 4 plus 1 equals 11.
What did she have 6 of?
She had 6 teacups, 4 balls. 16. I said 6.
6 teacups, 4 balls, and 1 doll.
And 1 doll.
That's very good. That equals 11. Did anybody else come up with anything different? Addison? That does equal 11, but you're missing a category.
What is that?
And you did 2 and then add 1 more. 1 plus 2 plus 8. What did you have, Addison?
13.
Well, the answer is 11. The answer is 11. We just have to figure out how many dolls, how many balls, and how many teacups equals 11.
I had
1, plus
That one that's
4
different.
is 5.
Oh, one.
What if you changed, what if you did 1 ball plus 4 teacups plus, how many dolls? 5, what about if you had 6 dolls? Would that be 11? That's 10, plus 1 more is 11. Good. What did you come up with? Not ready yet? You got yours? 1 plus 2 plus 8. Very good.
We got one.
You're doing right there, Kat.
We got one.
What do you have, Robert?
8 plus 9 plus 1 plus 1. That plus 1 is 11.
8 plus what?
We do 9.
8 plus 9 would be 17.
We do good on that.
That would be more than 11, wouldn't it?
Did you forget our
I did not.
How about we do minus
What
now?
did you get? 6 plus 4 plus 1, good.
Actually, I just changed
5 plus 5.
my 9 to
Change
a
this
1.
to a
Miss Henry.
So that would be 5 plus 4 is 9, 10, 11. Very good.
Miss Henry, I have one.
You have one?
11 plus 0 plus 0.
Yeah, we talked about the zeros. She has 3 kinds of toys.
What?
You have to
I
have
think I
each
got
of those kinds of toys in the problem, right?
4 plus 6.
4 plus 4 is 8.
What?
Give me a double high five. Double high five. Good girl.
3 and 3. A bear.
Got it.
11
You
plus
got it. Good
3
job.
plus 0. I'm calling the balls in there.
Okay.
I'm going to decorate the wall.
All right.
I'm going all right.
All right, that's all we have for our review. Good job, guys.